Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a new content on your Vimeo website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after that we have to open the Vimeo website. And now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the new section. And after clicking on the new section, as you can see, it has the create a video. So we have to click on the create a video. And after clicking on the create a video, you will get the different types of option here. Now you can create your own video here. So let's see how does it work. So I'm going to remove this one, and you can go to the template section and the text section. These all details are provided here. So as you can see, now simply you have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, this is the work from home. You can also upload your ones as well. You can upload your own video. For example, I'm going to click on this. Let's as you can see, now the video is edited here. Now you can play and see the results. So you can also play this, and you can also add your own videos here. If you want to add this one here, you can also do that. You have to add this here, you have to drag this here, and after doing these all things, you have to click on the save, and the video will be saved. So in this way you can create your own videos on Vimeo. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.